Alright, what are we going to drive today? G35 or the Honda? I'll take the G. Hopefully we got some gas in this thing. About a half a tank, that'll do. Alright, let's get the heck up out of here. What is this, bro? Supra. Nice. Oh, bro. Dope little GTI. Now spool it! Spool it, you motherfucker! Woo! Let's go. Woo-hoo. Shit, brother! God dang, bro. Oh my gosh. There are rocks flying in the window and shit. Oh, damn. Big turbo on that thing, man. We're back at it. I realized with my last couple of videos, shorts that I put out, I'm gonna get the most response rage baiting muscle car owners that don't have a V8, and also pickup truck owners that don't have a V8, I guess. So that's gonna be the theme. We're gonna go out here, see if we can get ourselves in, I don't want to say trouble, have a little bit of fun, see if we can talk some smack, and see where the drive takes us, man. Man, I pass this thing all the time. I don't know if I'm supposed to love it or hate it. I'm gonna say hate it. Hate, final answer. RC 350. This guy really likes yellow, man. He's got the yellow shirt, yellow car, yellow everything, bro. Comp. Shit's sick, bro. The X drive too. Thing's probably a beast, man. Take risks, baby. Shit's gangster, brother. Look at this here. Jeep owners, take notes. Guy's got the full-size spare with the tire. You get style points for that right there. Black and yellow day. Oh, we got the Hemi on him. Dope. I like the diffuser in that wing, man. Woo! Sick, bro. I don't want no smoke with that man, though. Stinger all-wheel drive. Come on, bro. Slow her down, doggy. Slow her down, brother. Damn, if it wasn't for this traffic, we've had the little 2-for-1 special going on right here, man. Look at that. 2 ponies, 0 V8s. Woo, nice clean Type S there, bro. You don't see those things around that often. Oh no, brother. No. That's sick too. C63. It's my jam right there, bro. If I had that deep pocket German money, broski, that's probably what I'd be in right now. What up, what up? Damn, this thing is dope, man. RC 350, brother. The duckbill and everything on there, man. That shit's sick. Give her a little brap. No braps, man. Nobody wants to give the braps these days. Fire. Fuck, what a color too, man. Spotless, dude. There's a V8 Mustang here. I don't know, it's a older gen. I don't know if that's a 4.6 or a 5.0. Sounds good though. pretty sure that thing said GTSC on it. Now, I could be wrong, but I think that's GT Supercharger? Maybe not. GTSC, I just met at that shit, and it's, I think that's a Shelby right there is what that is. If that is badged correctly, so definitely fast.